How to unblock someone in Google Chat. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Firstly, you can launch a Google Chat application in your mobile device. Make sure that you are currently using the account with which you want to unblock the user. At the top in your left-hand corner, you will see a 3 horizontal line. Click on it. After which, head to Settings. Over here, under Manage Blocking, you will see the option Manage Blocked Users in Chat. You need to click on it. After which, it will redirect you to a new page. If you have blocked any of the user in your Google Chat, you will see it right over here. To unblock the user, just go ahead and tap on the unblock icon, or you can even tap on the manage icon, then click on unblock. So that is how you unblock the user in your Google Chat. Wasn't it simple? For some reason, if you cannot perform this task, go ahead and check out the quick and easy solution. Head back from your application, press and hold onto your app, head to App Info, tap on the 4-stop button and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will help you to remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.